Oh, there's the, across the fence there, they made hay. There's all these bales of hay sitting in the field. Come on, she's gonna go with me. You've never walked down here with me before, have you? No. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna trip over you. We'll get you some food when I get back. We're going down here now. Come on. Come on, pretty girl. Right under my feet. And there's the magnolia. Let's see. Looking for a seed pod. There's the red seeds. Can I break it off? No. Oh, and here's a lot of them right here. I guess those fall out. You make more trees, I should take them and try rooting them. What is it? Good morning, Ado. Good morning. Good morning. I know. Oh. Let's see how many of these. Most of them are at the top. There'll be no way to get to them. Ado, where are we going? You want to go back to the house now? Well, come on, let's go.